Hi guys, this is Randy with Florida Pool Fences, taking some more of your questions. One of the questions is, it doesn't matter what type of deck we have. And the answer is yes. There is about 18 different types of pool decks. And the reason it matters to us is because we're going to have to match the drill bit with the type of deck you have. Some decks are soft, some decks are hard. We actually have about 6 different drill bits that we use, and if we know what type of deck you have before we come, we could bring the appropriate tools with us. Also, sometimes when we arrive at the pool deck, we find out that the pavers are very loose and wobbly. If that's the case, we have to use spikes to spike down the pavers and keep them stable. Sometimes we have to use those spikes when we're drilling down, and underneath the pavers or concrete or whatever it might be, there's nothing but sand. Of course, the sand is not going to keep the pool sturdy, so we have to make accommodations for that. So the answer is yes. If you know what type of deck you have and can let us know, that's great. And more importantly, if you know what's underneath your deck, that will really help us out.